Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make Turkish coffee. In one teapot, you want to have the water boil for around 5 to 6 minutes. Once it starts boiling, that's your transition to add the coffee into this teapot. You want to add about 3 spoons or so while it's simmering. Looks like I'm running out today. Then you use your boiling water, pour it into the teapot. Maybe we'll add a little bit more tonight. All right. And that's about 2 cups of water. All right, once the coffee starts bubbling, you want to just take a spoon and mix it around a little bit. All right guys, and for tonight, I'm just pouring 1 cup of it black. I'm gonna stop right there. If you want to add milk, now's the part where you add milk to the top. Thank you.